Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can rent out your Wi-Fi for cash. Yeah, you heard that right. It's basically just renting out your spare Wi-Fi and earn money based off of it. And I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you could do this and the logic behind them. So let's get started. First, we have Helium. Now, Helium is basically a cryptocurrency run startup, and how it works is it basically allows you to monetize your unused network capacity, and you can get crypto or USD payouts in exchange for it when visitors from participating mobile carriers automatically and securely connect to your Wi-Fi network. They allow you to have hotspots where your mobile phone or your device that you get from them will omit a hotspot that people will connect to, and that hotspot will basically earn you money because Helium will give you a cut based off of that. And the people who are using the Helium network is basically how Helium earns their money. This is a great potential way for you to earn some passive income, and you should definitely get started if you are looking to get into passive income. Now, they have a very I'd say well organized website. You should check them out. All of their information is on here. Next, we have Wifi. Now, Wifi basically works as they take your unused bandwidth or Wi-Fi, and they then use it for SEO, data collection, analytics, and a lot of other stuff. Now, unlike other websites which sell your data for free, Wifi basically gives you a cut of that data. So they basically look at your movements, and they look at the data that you provide, and the more users that you have on your network, the better. And Wifi will basically monetize that and give you a great passive income on top of it. Lastly, we have Packet Stream. Packet Stream works in kind of the same way that Wi-Fi does, where it shares bandwidth. Now, bandwidth is basically your internet router or your internet service provider's full capacity to provide you with internet. And if you're not using a significant amount of your bandwidth, you can go ahead and rent that bandwidth to Packet Stream. And Packet Stream uses it as a node, if you would, where they basically access your Wi-Fi router, and they try to gather information from your Wi-Fi router and others by pinging your Wi-Fi router and using the bandwidth that you rent to them, and you can earn based off of how much they use your network. And it's a great way to get started with passive earning as well. And the way that it works is, as a packeter, you get paid for sharing your unused net bandwidth with our network. Packet Stream leverages this bandwidth to power our global residential proxy network. So it'll also be used for VPNs or any other stuff, and it's completely safe. There's zero impact, there's seamless sharing, and it's a very positive way to earn some passive income. But these are basically the three most potent ways, in my opinion, that I've seen people have earned money through, and I've read a lot of customer reviews and Reddit for all three of them, and I definitely think if you're looking to get into this, you should definitely try them out. But yeah, that's about it, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.